So guys, after Huawei, LG has also says we didn't copy the iPhone 10 notch. Who actually created notches in smartphones then? Of course, Essential did it with the PH1. LG has released a new flagship smartphone, the LG G7 ThinQ. The smartphone features a notch similar to the iPhone 10, but the company doesn't want the consumer to believe that it's copying Apple's iPhone 10. LG's mobile chief, I don't know how to pronounce his name, says we planned the notch design before Apple. No company wants to admit they all copied Essential phone PH1. You must have heard a similar statement by the Chinese tech giant Huawei as well. Although we don't know what the company implies with this statement, either LG had the idea before Apple, how would they know? Or whether LG is simply saying the LG G7's notch was in the works before Apple introduced the iPhone 10 in September 2017. Looking at the notch on the LG G7, one could say it is different than the one on the iPhone 10 because you can essentially turn it on or off and blacking out the top corners so the notch seems invisible. Hence the company claims to call the LG G7's notch a second display. LG G7 kept getting leaked in many renders. At MWC, we caught the wind of the LG G7 with a notch. Later on, with the more leaks and renders of the LG's new flagship, it got revealed that the G7 sports a rear dual camera setup along with the trending notch. Now all the rumors are confirmed. LG G7 came with the Snapdragon 845 of processor, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage and a 3000 mAh of battery. So guys, what do you think is the creator of the notch? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.